We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Well, there are at least two different ways of pronouncing this. In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, quite different in fact. In British English it is said as longitude, so long, then a g sound, long-gi-tude, so a ch sound here, a chewed sound. You do want to stress on that first long syllable, which makes sense, right? It's a long syllable, longitude. Now in American English, however, it is usually said as longitude, 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 longitude in American English versus longitude in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Well, I'm sure you did. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious, meaning get them wrong you won't after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.